Ukana ukore weke hi andu mamenye wego Usia seka itutara mokera ifu ha icio nicio ciagaga
we have no that luxury
icio ciakarango ciagweterera maingire
Ogo ne guthie ta mugithi
ne guthoka every second counts Reure Parliament
Bunge
yes you told me they are back from recess
Muthe nĩrĩo bunge racokereria kuma recess ya Christmas.
I am surprised they have been away for long.
Nĩndĩ maracoka wĩra ũmũthĩ kũrĩa bunge.
Ĩkamathia holiday igana atĩa.
They are lawmakers, they make the law.
Ũrenda kuma hĩndĩ ya kũhagũrana nĩ hĩndĩ maracoka.
Kuma mahĩtũkia kĩndĩkĩ.
Oh, it's around that season. Your season. Yes.
Kuma mahĩtũkia kĩndĩkĩ rĩ.
Yes.
Hau nĩho mathiĩrĩire rũtha.
Yes.
Rĩu marariciumu wĩra ũmũthĩ.
That was when?
When was that? Matukũ mathiangu we.
So a month plus.
Not even a month.
Actually 2 plus.
Nĩ mĩeri ĩrĩ na gĩcunjĩ.
Reke tuge mahingota CBC. Na nowe gatondũ ũkĩragwo makongira audi. Yes.
Rĩu mau nĩ mahinda ma gũgĩthiĩ ũkagua mĩrandi.
Yes.
Na gũkĩaranĩria na wananishi.
Na ũkĩruta wĩra ũrĩa moĩ wega mũno wĩtagwo wa siasa. Na kũmenya mlima inasema nini. Kusikiliza nini?
Mlima.
Yes. And of course, there's a new twist. You see that court ruling,
last week.
The business of the majority in the House. Yes. And the bicameral of that matter, the National Assembly. Nĩguo akĩrurirwo nĩ igoti. Atĩ arĩa mecege nĩ aingĩ ti aingĩ.
Kũringana na igoti.
Yes.
Arĩa metaga aingĩ ti aingĩ.
Yes. Nĩ ũrĩa wetagĩrwo karatathi kagĩranio mwĩkĩrathi ũkaigua Mase Muthoni ukanayo kamba ukona hiyo wewe excuse me
kuja
wewe hiyo ni ya gitoero ukarigo he kare gathi uguo ndikiaroreire
atunyukithia uguo.
So now I understand. Of course there have been those jitters here around, the razzmatazz around it. Abugia ya smear ni malai on Steve. Yes. Jepen Kalonzo. Yes. And he has a look-alike around.
He was trending over the weekend.
Yes. Never mind andu akienda kiu ni mahananaga. Mahananaga muno, it's true. Ni mahananaga. Ito yuambo ikaba ndakuraga.
But that has no biological proof.
Neither are the trending photos. No, I don't demand na.
Ato tirege.
Ajo ne kore yana ke.
Mauthi.
No matikiana ni geta China hau ni dauma. China no enye mamenya no.
Ibetu na mahana ine othe. Na mona ithuothe tuhana ine.
China na kungithie kiundu ndiwe no ni manotisa. Ungepande ndiro China ndumenya ni uriku. Ndwari kana muiretu ule wahiretwo gugiakwo bara. And I understand the child is now very big. Nakaraia yekore kamo China karagacha.
Imana aciarirwo 2011.
Yes. Ajere mo China ri. Jini ya mo China hana jini ya mo Africa. Niwe mutingiciana muthungu kana ka muthungu. He has to have black. The black gene is very powerful. Lugugia mwana mo China ya mo China pure.
Ikire strong ciao.
Yes. Totikiuma ko. Narake meire mwakinya ko uri. Mumenye kiria kiari kianyu.
Igoti riraugire.
Yes.
Ninyi majority.
Na mwathi hau. Mwegwatire kiria giki
anyu.
Yes. Mutigaikare na kuria hakuhi na staff room. Muikare haria front
office.
Yes. And you know, I don't know that they have already gone back.
I'm not very sure.
Nitokuria muthoni to keep an eye on that. Ndio kuhana riri. Uria mwacokaga thukuru tamu ya mbere. You know most people have now been promoted to the next
class.
Yes. Ni kwa yana pandemonium ya sitting arrangement. Backbenchers ni maba kuonio You know, in school the backbench was the the members club. Yes.
Na backbench ni hota kuhitha tundu tuingi.
Yes. Ya na country club kana golf club. Andu amuthaiga country ri. Moka makegwatira
kuria backbench.
Riu rimwe ni gwoka pandemonium ugakora riu wario kuwa nyuma wameretwa mbere. And mbere was considered under the eye of the ombudsman.
Mbere na kuona kuigwa maitho-ini ma monene no tongoria.
Yes.
We no haba kuonwo.
Ni kuigwa hau ati ona na kibungo kimwe tari ho ni kironeka. Ino kuria thutha ni ungiahithie tumaundu turi tutatu.
Tuingi muno.
Yes. Wacererwo kirathi we uke uripotirate. We waigago hari urithagiria andu ruhu.
No waigago murango-ini uhingagiria andu murango.
Riu atura ukomagira desk yo.
Ucokia murango.
So we are expecting that. And you know, parliamentarians can also be clumsy if called upon.
Yes.
No, you can head moke thena firigi. Uhuru Muigai wa Kenyatta na Kenya ri ngoro etari nditu. Ndiye mundu kiundu. Areke. Tupa betia. Koja mama ina firigi cia lollipop.
Ya lollipop. Umuthe wakihota kugia na kajika ikadio kidogo.
Yes.
Minority na majority makigucania ni aige ni ithue kana ni inyue.
Yes. No reigwa ojikarira we. Ojikarire.
Tathi mwena uria
ni kwa kuria. Nike inyue.
Koti ilisema mutoke hii side.
Koti iliamua. Hata tulitaka hii koti ingine ya uchaguzi kubwa pia wa review. Tuamuse kwa viti zote.
We are the majority.
Tunaweza kuamusa paka ile kubwa. Koti inaenda ikifufuka vizuri. Watarudi kwa ile file. Tuamue hata sisi tu occupy. Kalonzo aliwaambia no, when you go there
you occupy the majority seat.
You remember there was a time there was a mix up and a quagmire like that. I think that time it was between Kalonzo Musyoka and who? Was it Raila?
Ona hario hindi kwenda ngucanio ya riri Jaramogi na Matiba.
Yes. And Matiba wa Kiharu. Yes. There isn't one no Otia Tomarende speaker who was it was time the Solomonic decision akitua majority leader. No, it was leader of house business. Yes. I think it was between Kalonzo and Raila. Kwaja hede ya Jaramogi. They were more pedestrian. Their ways were rudimentary. Radio maikaragira form literally. Yes.
Tito muthe ati gukorwo na gite kio o mubunge stand alone.
Maikaragira mu form. Riu wakoraga Jaramogi ni atuma itungati ciake
iria ciena megutha.
Yes.
Sikinye mbere imunyitire giti.
Yes. You know, people who have not read upon history will not know that. Nake Mativari. Nake atuma itungati ke.
Itungati ciake.
Yes.
Thie munyitage giti. Munene oka ukiririe.
Makaga teke ure tia mukoria mugeni. Ege itunga. Hey, tu kathia cia to magone die hard fanatics. Ore ngwatene kira hau ndo
mukereria.
Amwejeo batene kira hau. No way. Tumekata. Ogwecirio no muthi mekwihika muno. Mundu wa simu gathie guthite hau. Chibi
Na regere ho.
Yes.
Auge no mumukonyire hau na giti.
Ambia huyo machungwa.
Sitoki.
Singatuki. Tunatoka hapa usiku.
Siku ya manane.
Hapo tunatoka usiku. Nachukua hii na AUC. Regetegete. Speaker. Wetangula. Koti lisema nini? Lisema kiti ni yetu. You see, this time around it might even be more dramatic because the seat is one. Yes.
Giti ni kimwe.
Atwamuki.
Leader of minority ni Junet.
Yes.
And you know Junet can also be dramatic.
No, he can be dramatic and he can throw tantrums. Junet.
Yes, baba.
Inaita wewe. Hii mambo wacha tuagisha hiyo moto baada ya Saturday. Pana leo. Agisha hiyo moto kuanzia Monday. Saa hii kwanza cheza chini. Wacha kalie.
Mtelera wiki hiyo.
Wacha kalie hiyo sisi tapanga. Adrio Wetangula tunamuonea 18. You know, let me tell you, that can lead to a serious swing in parliament.
No, a serious one.
Yes.
Mwena wa minority ogero makenire.
Because the court ideally ruled that the speaker
Erred.
by declaring the Kenya Kwanza
As a majority.
yes. So they can even say, we don't have confidence in
him.
in the speaker. Ageradio karaka ageradio JB. JB kwede mageretie. Kiro o ikara wabici. Ocurio. Ndukwira ro ikaraguo. Ona TV ni. That is Honorable Mbadi. Honorable Soipan. Akironi ahono? Ogo na Wetangula baiciri. He must be swinging around.
Dog Jacob is not very comfortable.
Raila, please talk to these people.
Talk to your people.
Talk to our people because you know I'm hearing rumors.
I hear Salasia.
I understand Salasia is mobilizing. It's mobilizing my house. I am busy with it, you see right now. You deal with your mess.
You have to talk to your people.
No, don't talk to them, please, Raila. I am right honorable. Please talk to them. Tell them this is not the time of politics. No, his arch nemesis. His arch nemesis in Western is who? Natembeya.
Natembeya.
Yes. Wewe hivi unajua hapo ujipeleka tu hivyo. So ulienda ukarule majority na minority. Deal with it. Tuanze kuja tunaangalia tu maneno ikienda hivi. Wetangula alikuja akasema minority na majority. Sasa Wetangula akisema majority na minority, what do we do? Deal with your mess. My brother, we are from the Mulembe nation.
Hata koti imesema tawe.
Koti ilisema ikaamua. They decided. You made a mistake. Deal with it. Atuoli niko karibu kukarangwa shazi. Jemuzi watumbukiza. Shazi sana. Salasia, my young son. Mimi si mtoto wako. Mimi si mtoto wako.
Watu nilisema.
Utakula kuni Lamu Wewe ni mpuka wa kubeba kula vingi Mimi si mtoto. Moro abadilikangi baba yake wa kisiasa.
Katueterere tuone.
I will not be watching that space because I'm sure there will be flames and fire. When those political icons face off, there can only be one thing: crossfire.
Eda ya na vote fai.